My paint's chipping. I think I need to get into the body shop.
Well, we were going to continue with the Corvair S10 body swap. Then Lurch here, through the fire department he works for, got us this. So, yeah, we're going to take it back home. It runs, supposedly, has a horrible knock.
It sure does, yeah.
We're going to, I guess, run it till it dies.
Bog deep.
See how well of a burnout it can do?
It won't. We tried.
Okay, well.
New track maintenance car.
Yeah, it's my new track.
Does it have a hitch?
I think so.
It does have a hitch. Yeah, we'll pull the water trailer with it.
If it'll run?
Yeah. So we're going to try to get her started, load her up on the trailer, and take it back. Take it back home.
Sitting here all winter.
Oh, had a little. Oh. Horn works. What's the dinging?
The door's ajar.
The door's
Door lock.
The door's gone.
Yeah. Door lock works. No, ain't doing it.
We're gonna explain quick. We're gonna try double jumping off the same vehicle. We got the Suburban hooked up to its, quote, jumping points, and then straight to the battery, and both sets are hooked to this battery. So we're gonna see if that works. That's down. You have to put her in the R. Put her in reverse, Terry.
Well, the exhaust plane cuts too.
Oh, very good. This way, this way, this way, this way. Oh. That's good. Dude, that's a tall order.
Watch your fingies.
Oh no! Thanks for breaking that for my kids to play. Oh my lord. He's opening her up. He's gonna kill himself. Wow, that thing goes pretty quick, honestly. To the brakes, God, you just there's this tree right in front of us. Oh my god. Okay. It's really not even running that bad. No, it's really not. Lurch, what are you putting in there? We're a little low on oil.
Good old 1540 diesel oil. She'll run great.
Hopefully that'll cure our knocking problem.
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt.
We got dudes over here.
New boot gooping.
Vacuum out a metric buttload of glass. Oh man. This thing's gonna be ripping in no time. Put a little mixture of fuel we got out of the fuel tank of the S10 with some premium race fuel from the old dirt scooters and the four-wheelers. It's aerodynamics, it's custom. Cut off the Nerf bars there for less drag and wind resistance. She's just ready to run. You might want to put the hood down.
chicken traffic jam.
Yeah, you'll have that. Especially on race day. I wonder if it needs training. Well, we did not do anything on the Corvair once we got back with the new roofless escape. Lurch decided he was going to drive around the track and blow it up more than what it already was. Pickle decided he was going to race him in the DP Cruiser, and that was obviously a win on our end. So, so we're gonna probably tomorrow kick it off some more. Maybe we'll let you know when we're gonna get back on this trend. So we got a lot to do. Got to cut some rockers off, trim up some stuff on the Corvair itself. Then other than that, I don't know what our next project's going to be, but we'll keep you posted on this one. So that's
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching DP Demolition Co.
Yeah, and don't forget to drive it like you stole it.